Hello, welcome to. First of all, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys that have liked, commented on my previous video. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe it, and do share with others. Alright, let's get started. Clock, time, clock, time. What are we going to do with this? Alright, today we are going to see three of the most confusing things related to time. What are those? And it's this, and this. In, on, and at. These are prepositions. Preposition is one among the 8 parts of speech in the English language. In any language, parts of speech are the most important. With sound knowledge and understanding of parts of speech to begin with is where you can proceed in expressing yourself correctly, because these are the basis of grammar, and no correct sentence can be formed without the proper knowledge of parts of speech. And the 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and the interjunction. Well, I'm going to make a video particularly about parts of speech. You can watch that video to get better clarity about parts of speech in the English language. Alright, let's get started for today. Today we are going to see prepositions of time. In, on, at. In, on, at. In, on, at. In, on, at. Alright, I'm just trying to help you understand what is prepositions of time. It's in, on, at. Is prepositions of time important? Of course it is, because we keep talking about time always, like inside the home, outside the home, while we are working, while we go out, while we come back, or when we text somebody. We keep talking about time, like, can you come at this time? Can you come this particular date or this particular day? So prepositions of time is so important. Normally people get confused between in, on, and at. Should I use in? Should I use on? Should I use at? Alright, today we are going to clarify that confusion and we're going to use properly. Alright, let's begin firstly with in. We tend to use in when we talk about longer periods of time. For example, months, seasons, years, centuries. Because it's all longer period of time. When you're talking about a longer period of time, we normally use in. For example, in January, in the 18th century, in 1990, in the 1950s, in summer. A practice sentence: in England, it often snows in December. In December. Let's now move on to on. We use on when we talk about specific days and specific dates. Specific days, specific dates. For example, on Sunday, on my birthday. Now, birthday is a specific day, or on the 10th of June, or the 10th of May, or the 15th of July. It's all a specific date. Alright, a practice sentence: do you work on Mondays? Alright, now Monday is a specific day in a week. Alright, now we clearly know that we use on when we talk about specific days and specific dates. Let's now move on to the final one, at, which is my favorite one. Alright, because I take online classes, I normally tell my students, like, today we have class at 10 a.m, at 3 p.m, at 5 p.m, because I'm talking about a specific time in a day, so I use the word at. Alright, so at is normally used for a specific time. For example, at 3 o'clock, at noon, at dinner time, at sunrise. If you see, I'm using at to talk about a specific time. So when you're talking about a specific time, you need to use at, which is the most appropriate one. A practice sentence would be: I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Now if you see, I'm using at 10 a.m. Now 10 a.m. is a specific time. Alright, these are the prepositions of time in, on, and at. If you want to know better about prepositions of time, do watch this video again. You will probably understand it better and practice it, and most importantly start using it. And I hope your English is getting better day by day. Alright, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe it, and do share with your friends because it might be useful for somebody. Alright, we'll see you on another video. Cheers, bye.